Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Mike here. Thank you so much for tuning into another episode. My Doge army, my Doge community, we have some more news we gotta talk about. Guys, I just love this community. I absolutely love all the research. I love everything Doge because it's a movement. It's something that's here to stay, and people need to understand. Yes, it was a meme. It was created as a meme, but it has taken on real world utility, and it is here to stay. You need to understand that something with almost an $80 billion market is not a joke. Okay, it's not a pump and dump. You can't just pump and dump an $80 billion market. So people really need to understand what is taking place, and you need to also understand that there's so much real world use case going on in real world, like mainstream media adoption, that is taking place. So here's the article. Mark Cuban speaks again. Okay, this is on Decrypt. That's who wrote the article. It says Mark Cuban Dogecoin will hit $1. Guys, we've all been saying it. Everybody in the Doge community understands that Dogecoin inevitably will hit $1. We don't know if this is going to be enough catalyst with the SNL skit. We all hope that we get this pump from tomorrow leading into Saturday, that we hit that $1 and the Doge father delivers something massive, but we don't know. But what we do know, inevitably, we will hit that $1 mark. It is inevitable, guys. There's too much mainstream adoption. There's too much bullishness in the market for us not to hit that $1 mark. We will take the number 3 spot in the entire crypto market. We will hit that $100 billion market cap, and people will wake up and understand that a $100 billion market cap, the number 3 crypto in the world, is nothing to laugh at. It's not a meme. It's something you have to take seriously. Guys, he said, Mark Cuban thinks Dogecoin is headed straight for $1 and will stay there. Guys, that's massive in itself. He's saying that not only will it get to $1, it will stabilize above $1 or at $1 or somewhere around that, which is saying that it will stabilize around a $100 billion market cap. It will stabilize at the number 3 cryptocurrency in the entire world. That's insane. Like, this is a billionaire telling you this, and he's been backing this for a while now, him and Elon Musk, and people are still laughing and saying this is a joke. This is not a joke. Like, a $100 billion market cap. Anyway, I get heated, guys. I'm passionate about this. Mark Cuban thinks Dogecoin is headed straight for $1 and will stay there. So he's saying that it will not only inevitably get to $1, but it will stabilize around $1. The reason, it's becoming more of a utility. That's what he's saying. He's telling you that it is becoming a real world use case. People are using Dogecoin to buy things. It is a part of everyday life now. It is being used as a form of currency. Like, the adoption is here. We have the Oakland Athletics accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment. We have 2 NBA franchises, the Dallas Mavericks, owned by Mark Cuban, accepting Dogecoin. He said earlier that he's seen more people use Dogecoin than Bitcoin and Ethereum, because Dogecoin is a form of currency. It's easily accessible. It's easily transaction. So it is something that you need to understand. It's here to stay. It's going to get over $100 billion market cap. It's going to get across the $1, and it is going to stay. It's here to stay. The crypto market is here to stay. So guys, if Mark Cuban's telling you that Dogecoin will not only hit $1, but stabilize at $1, and it will continue to gain more utility, is not bullish, and you're not just sitting on your bag just excited, and this doesn't go against, if you take profits on the way up, congrats, you made money. Like, there's nobody here in the Doge community that should be hating on you if you sell. Like, you made money. You are in charge of your own money.